Next up is this, okay, all right, we found out kind of some patterns as far as people coming and going. Let's find out where people are coming from or going to. So this is something to stick in your head as far as, okay, if I'm seeing a country, if my country has a lot of net migration where it's a negative, then okay, I want to really focus in on those countries in which people are going to. If it's a positive, okay, I want to focus on where those countries, those people are coming from. All right, so here is this one. And so this looks like chaos here. So we have country of origin and destination. Let's make some sense of it here. This is the whole world. So let's do, let's do Japan. Yeah, let's do the Japan one. I'm interested in where people are coming from. All right, so I did Japan. And so country of origin. So this is saying, okay, the origin of people who are going to Japan. What country is it? And so we do have this nice flow chart, which, you know, from a cartographic perspective, from a map maker's perspective, okay, not really useful. The key is down here. So if you go down here to the open attribute table, we go ahead and go down there and lift this up. Eventually we'll get some data. And here we can then see the different years and the different countries. So let me go back. I messed that up. So origin is Japan. So let me go back. Look at this. They messed that up. Destination? Come on. It's destination. Okay, so let me reset this here. I was wrong about that, so I'll re-explain that quickly. So what I just did was I just changed the nomenclature. Check country destination means, okay, the country destination is Japan. So that's where you're headed to, is Japan. The country of destination is Japan. So your country that you're, if you're putting in your country and you want to know where they're coming from, you'd want to choose this option. All right, so now this has been fixed over here. So I just pick a random year. I'm going to do 2015 since it's the most reliable recent year. 2020 is kind of weird because of, once again, the pandemic. And I can do sort descending. And what does this ask me to do over here? If I go back, it says, okay, the top 5 countries, the destinations people are leaving, but also top 5 countries for in-migrants. So I wanted to find the top 5. And so then the top 5, I just sorted, once again, sorted descending. And so the top 5, China, Philippines, Brazil, Vietnam, United States. So Japan, in terms of where its migrants are coming from, they're coming from China and the Philippines, which kind of makes sense, nearby. Brazil, that's interesting, Brazil and Japan. Well, if you do a little research, you'd find out that Japan and Brazil actually have a very close relationship, and you find a lot of Japanese individuals who live in Brazil. And so there's some family connections there, in which people who are returning to Japan are from Brazil, are Japanese. Then you also have Vietnam, another Asian country, and the United States of America, and so there's some connections there as well. So that's some stuff you would want to figure out as far as why these top 5. I'll switch it. I'll do country of origin. So now this is, okay, where are Japanese migrating to? Refresh the table. Origin, destination, sort descending, and for the most part we have the same. We go Brazil. So once again, that Brazil connection that most people don't realize. Australia. So a lot of Japanese go to Australia not only for to live, but also for vacation. That's the number one destination. That's like their Caribbean. You know, we like to go to the Caribbean for vacation. In Japan, they like to go to Australia. Especially because it's opposite seasons. When it's winter and it's summer, and in Japan it's winter in Australia, and vice versa. United Kingdom, Germany, okay, these are very highly developed countries, and so this is very common in stage 4 countries. Where you do see them migrating to is other stage 4 countries. It's a very common characteristic there. So I try to figure out, okay, why are they going to these particular places? And my guess is this is a lot of students, going, so a lot of young Japanese going to United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, or Canada for college. Where's the United States? Where are we at? All right, so that's the migration option. So you'd want to do that, of course, for your country as well. And so once again, some stuff that I did not do is doing that research, but you'd want to, try to figure out why Brazil, for example. Well, where are they going in, United Kingdom? So those are the things that you'd have to do a little bit of research and explanation on your part. Option 2, urban geography. So same